Hey, hello guys, what's up, my gorgeous friends in the internet? Here is Eddie World, the man up here again. Your regular guy. Yeah, it's about freelancing, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, and blogging, and how you can get this information and make money online. It's about making money online as always. Yeah, so I want to say a bigger shout out to my subscriber. You guys are so wonderful, you are awesome. Today I am over 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. You are so supportive. Thank you for staying on my channel. Thank you. I will ever remain committed to give you video. And also I want to apologize for not releasing video for over 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. Please and please, I'm so sorry. Okay, because of one or two things came up. I have to travel, project work, and about. So I'm so sorry. All right, yeah, I'm back again. At this time, I have a lot to give you guys. So just stay tuned. For those that have seen this coming to my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell to be the first to get all the videos as I put them out on my channel. Alright, okay. In today's video, I'll be showing you A to Z on VTU business in Nigeria 2021. Alright, I'm going to be showing you everything about VTU business, which is very lucrative in Nigeria. Okay, I'm telling you out of experience. So just hold on, stay to the end of the video. Okay, just listen and I'll be giving you some few tricks and tips you follow so that you can earn profitably in VTU business. And I know for some of us we are not new in this VTU. For some of us we are new, but don't worry, you want to hear from Eddie Words and how I do it and how I make profit with it. I'll show you right away, so stay with me. Now, VTU business, as we all know, is virtual top up business. Okay, we have to do with selling of airtime, data bundles, TV subscription, those TV cable subscriptions, paying electricity bill, printing of all that have to do with VTU. Okay, that's it. Now this thing are done online. Okay, everything here is online. All right, so few things are, let me say, practical or offline, but everything is online here. Okay, yeah, first of all, I'll be giving you this training on VTU business in 3 sessions. So there are other videos I will be putting out with this particular videos. Okay, training. Okay, it's going to be in 3 sessions. This one we have to talk about, I'll tell you how to register. Okay, give you tip processes and how you can make really huge profits scaling up to 100k. Yeah, I'm telling out of experience. So it's what I do. I tell my subscribers, my viewers. So stay connected. You can check out. As at this time, I don't know, I don't have the other videos. Okay, just I'm still working on it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get it. So stay tuned. Now, in doing VTU business in Nigeria, there's a lot of websites out there you can use. I know you must have heard about Recharge and Get Paid Business, different websites out there. Okay, but today I'll be revealing to you the best website ever when it comes to VTU business in Nigeria and outside. All right, so the platform is Club Connect. As you can see, Club Connect is amazing. This platform is amazing. So let's just continue. So you see the link here, Club Connect. The K is K Club Connect, okay, .com. All right, so once you hit that on your laptop or your mobile phone, to bring it to this interface here, this is where it happens. This is a platform. Now before jumping over to registration, let me just give you some few things you have to know here. As you can see, they also have an app on the Google Play Store which you can download, which is very awesome. I use that sometimes, but most times I use their website. Okay, there are also partners. You see, I told you notes, they have all the network, which is MTN, Glo, Etisalat, which is now mobile now, Airtel and Spectranet. They have all the network supportive to all the network, and it's all about electronic top up. Okay, you buy data bundles, you buy airtime, TV subscription, pay electricity bill, and this. So even printing of charge card. So that's so awesome. So this is what I do, and I can tell you I have made huge profits from it. So stay with me. Why am I giving you, first of all, why am I giving you this website? They they are very reliable. This website is very reliable. This organization is very reliable when it comes to VTU business in Nigeria. Okay, now before I move further to you registering um, uh, VTU business in Club Connect, you want to know why the world, why VTU business, is one of the things you can make money with online. And two, when it comes to making money online, this is an advantage the bank has taken over. A lot of people cannot do without airtime, cannot do without data, cannot do without electricity. These are basic amenities. So it's an opportunity for you to put yourself out there and make this provision, thereby you get money in return, good cash. So banks has hijacked this idea. That's why many people use their app. So what you do is actually going to be meeting people, okay, providing these services for them, and you get good cash just online, and it's very simple. So that's it. So it's a must for you, and it's a very lucrative business in Nigeria here. So without further ado, let's move on to registration. If you want to register, you click the registration button, the register button here. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Now, this is where you register the registration interface. Now follow me very carefully here and how you can register properly. The company need your full details. I guess you know the reason for all this. Okay, we are online people, so mostly every time we register here and there. So here you put your full name incomplete, as you can see, Edward, where's my W? Edward. Okay, your surname, that's your full name. Put your phone number. I'm going to be using my other number. Okay, 751 39 820. Right. So you put all your email here. I think I don't want to use this. Okay. You put your email, your password. You can check for the, say, an alphabet, a number, and more of 8 character. Okay, put whatever password you can remember. Okay. Yeah, very important. You put your referral ID. You'll be putting my number here as your dial. Yeah, this number I use. So why are you putting this instead of admin? Okay, if you put admin there, you're not going to be getting some information that is going to, so whatever you have some issue coming up, okay, your upline can actually help you. Yeah, that's why you need to put my number. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and chat me up. So I will see it on my own reflection, and so I can help you whatever. So I want to help you. But if you are using admin, It's like you are your own and no information will be passed on to you from your upline. So it's very important. Put my number there and click register. Woo! Yes, yes, yes. We are. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. So this is where the magic happen. Okay, let me go to my account. Right. This way the. All right. So once you open, it should be here. This is the the center. Okay, this is where everything happen when it comes to this video business in this platform. Now let's go over to all the interface here. As you can see your name here. Okay, this is your wallet. In this wallet you deposit money either using this navigation button or coming over here you deposit, which in my other video I'll give you full details on how you can deposit properly. Okay, now how does it work? Once you deposit your wallet here, your money on your wallet here, then you can go over to either want to buy airtime or buy data bundle, okay, or buy some like cable plus TV cable subscription and other things you can say here. Now which, okay, let me show you how to buy airtime for instance. Now let's say you have, I don't know if I can log in my other accounts so you can see. All right, let's continue with this. Let's just say this is what you are saying. So once you log in like this, that's your wallet. The money in your wallet will be reflecting here, and you select your network, your MTN, Glo, whichever you want to select. Then here you select your airtime. Now this depends on AWOF bonus, so you don't need AWOF. For straight selling, you want to set to other person, okay, no AWOF, that's a different package entirely. Now you impute your airtime here. You want airtime value like 200, okay. Now you see, you put the input number here of the person. Okay, let me say for example my number. Okay, my number. So just wait with me, just stay with me. I'm going to be showing you something more. Okay, now as you can see the percentage, okay, you are going to be asked to pay 193 from your wallet instead of 200. So the 3.5 discount is for your gain. All right, now this is for free member though. So as a great member, like my other account, as a great member is going to be 4%. Now let me go up. You see, okay, before I go there, you see, so you are selling, you are paying 193 naira for 200 naira. So from that you are getting 7 naira. Just imagine you getting 7 naira in each sale. Like you can make up to 50, say times it by 7, you see the money you are accumulating. This is what the idea the bank is using, and they have hijacked it and it's working and are making use it. So people are looking for a way to, okay, get this subsidized, and you are going to provide the platform for them like this, and you can get your profit. The 7 naira is your own profit. All right, okay. Now that is that. You just click buy, instantly it shows up instantly. It doesn't waste time at all, at all, at all. So that is that. So I would like us to go to also with TV subscription, but in my other video I'll be showing you in detail. So this is how it works. Let's say for instance Airtel, okay, You see they are selling for 192.6 and you are selling 200 card. You can see your profit there. So for all the network including data bundle, most of the time what I do is data bundle and TV subscription, okay, and printing of recharge card. All right, so I think in my last video I'll show you that. Let's go back to the login page here, the account page here. Now I want to explain something here. How do you really make profit? Like, how do you make profit from this? Is in two ways. One, as a free member, you are going to be making profit from virtually from all the sales. Like when you credit your wallet, you want to buy, somebody wants to buy airtime from you, just log in here very as fast as possible, okay, just go the way I process everything just now, and the person will give you cash. So you're actually buying that cash card in 193 naira and they are paying you 200 naira, so the 7 naira gain is your gain. That's as a free member. Secondly, as an upgrade membership, which is very important, this is where you benefit more of this platform. Like is the cocoa, let me use that word. All right, so when you upgrade to a full membership, my last video I will be showing you this, okay, which, okay, let me show you here. We have different category, okay, we have the VIP, reseller and sub distributor. As an upgrade membership or member, you're going to have, you will get a personal website to sell airtime data bundle, okay, so that's very wonderful. You can give somebody your website, you are going to have a personal website, okay, customized website for you, which you can give somebody. They will buy airtime from that your website and the money will be deposited directly to you. So it's very easy. You will earn a 5% commission for airtime, all right, okay, compared to 1%, 2% in other V2U business platform. And cable subscription, electricity payment, your referral purchase plus and additional 35% referral commission. So as a registered and upgraded member, you're going to be getting 35% from every transaction your referral make, people you refer to a platform make, you see it. So you will get a personal subdomain name to access your website, as you can see here, like from clubcash.com/eddywealth. As you can see, you will get a personal domain name like this, and you can get a personal mobile app to sell airtime. So this is so wonderful as a sub distributor, so it doesn't apply to as a VIP for this one. So as a sub distributor, when you upgrade, now the minimum amount to upgrade is just 10,000 naira, which is very affordable. Once you pay that money, I can tell you within 1 month and few days you can get everything, virtually everything. For those of us that want to just, okay, as a free member, you want to just be doing this business as quick as possible, just be doing it, it's still good. For me, first time I was just printing the cash card, I met people in my area like that sell cash card. I just print them and give it to them and they were selling it, so I was just making huge profit in no time. So that's why I'm putting out this video. That's why the website is putting out this video. I'm telling you, you can do the same and earn cool cash in this year 2020 to 2021. All right, that is that. Okay, I've actually talked about the full registration, okay, the tip process, I've got about it, and slightly I've given you how to make real sales scaling up to 100k. All right, so in my other video I'll be showing you in-depth knowledge on some other trick and tips you can follow to earn more scaling up to 100k. So it's Eddy Wealth again. No, we'll do here, give you information about freelancing, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, blogging, okay, about information technology, website that you can, okay, go into and earn cool cash. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get more videos. All right, check out some videos. All right, and that is that. Thank you. Peace out.